In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get a business loan for a new LLC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Getting a business loan for a new LLC can be challenging, but it is not impossible. In this video, I'm going to talk about some strategies to consider and how to actually get this process done. I want to highlight two options that you have to get a loan. So first, for the actual instructions, make sure that you build a strong business plan. Outline your business, clearly articulate your business idea, target market, and financial projections, and demonstrate the viability. Show that your business is a viable venture with potential for growth and profitability. This may increase your odds on getting better loan terms. And establish personal credit worthiness. Improve your credit score by paying bills on time, reducing debt, and avoiding new credit. And if possible, provide collateral. So in this video, I wanted to showcase Wells Fargo and Bank of America. Both of these on their websites or the mobile app, you will be able to find the loan options by switching to small businesses, and then you will find lending, investing, and so on. So click on lending and you will see all of the options. What I recommend is that you click on explore all business financing. This way they will give you all of the features and benefits of each of these lines, and you will be able to choose the one that is best for you. So for example, they have an unsecured line of credit with no collateral, a line of credit with a security deposit, and an unsecured term loan with no collateral. Each of these will have their own qualifications and differences, so this is why it's very important that you take your time and you carefully browse through all of these. You will be able to take on this quiz by Wells Fargo to find the one that is best for you, so as long as you follow through the instructions here, you will be able to apply and get this process done. Now sadly, because of the nature of this video, I cannot show you this full process on screen. It contains personal information, and most of the time you will need to schedule an appointment either way, so it isn't something that you will be able to do completely online. But as long as you follow the instructions here, your appointment will be scheduled and you will be able to see the loans that they have available for you and your new business. I hope I was able to help you on how to get a business loan for a new LLC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.